Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. I'm trying to go online, except that this is coming up. Have you guys seen this before? Huh. A mandatory safety training. Let's see what this is about. Required training to drive or deliver with Uber. In order to get back online and continue driving, you need to complete the latest training, which helps promote safe and respectful interactions between riders and drivers. To access the education, tap Finish Now below. Okay, let's tap Finish Now. CPUC Earner Education Resource. Okay, CPUC Earner Education Resource. CPUC resource required by CPUC. Okay, let's go for it. Hopefully I won't flunk. Okay, CPUC Education Resource. Uber's community guidelines also prohibits sexual assault, misconduct, and discrimination based on traits such as gender identity, sexual orientation, or other protected characteristics. This resource will help you understand terminology, identify harassment, encourage positive interactions with our diverse community. This is a new one, people. This definitely makes me feel like an employee now. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments. Okay, let's go to the next one. Definition of sexual assault: an act by a person who touches or attempts to touch the sexual body parts or non-sexual body parts of a TNC passenger. How about if it was the other way around? Okay. Attempted touching or kissing of a non-sexual sexual body part, non-consensual touching or kissing. This is a little too much. Okay. Have you guys seen this in your city? They won't let me go online unless I do this or read this. Sexual harassment. They must be drowning in assaults. Well, maybe you should put your drivers under better background checks. How about that? There's going to be a test, so I better read this. Non-exhaustive list of examples. Comments about asking personal questions. Comments about gestures regarding appearance. Flirting, staring, or leering. Explicit sexually suggestive gestures or comments. What is going on, man? Wow. Okay. Next page. Let's get familiar with common terminology. National Gender for Transgender Equality. Interesting. Maybe this is CPUC. So CPUC means California Public Utilities Commission. Do you guys have this in your cities? Let's get familiar with common terminology. These definitions and examples have been provided by National Center for Transgender Equality. Our partners who are experts in advocacy to improve societal understanding and acceptance of transgender, non-binary, gender non-conforming, and other gender diverse people. An individual attraction to other people, sexual orientation. And individuals, this is definitely employee material here. I should probably write to the CPUC and say, what the F? Look at this thing. Sexual orientations can include gay, lesbian, heterosexual, bisexual, pansexual, and asexual. What is happening in this world? Okay. Gender identity, gender expression. Gender identity, an individual's internal knowledge of their own gender. Internal knowledge. That is, that they understand themselves to be a woman, a man, non-binary, gender fluid, and other gender. Wow. Okay. Gender expression. How a person presents their gender on the outside. We usually think of this as things like how a person wears their hair, what kinds of clothes or jewelry they wear, whether or not they wear makeup, etc. But it can also include how we speak, move, and other elements of how we interact with other people. Yeah, I'm going to flunk this for sure. Examples of harassment. Well, we definitely don't want to do that, do we now? Okay. Examples. Let's see. After being picked up, a passenger becomes upset that the driver's appearance does not match the picture in the app. Okay? The driver responds, he is transgender and hasn't changed his picture yet. The passenger becomes upset. If you're a woman, you should dress and look like a woman. You will never be a man. The passenger continues to make up disrespectful remarks throughout the trip. Well, that passenger will never get kicked off the app. If this was the other way around, that driver would be deactivated before he even finishes this trip. While on a shared trip, a drunk passenger whispers to a fellow passenger whom he believes to be transgender that he finds trans women to be very attractive. This is above my pay scale, man. Gotta go through this employee training for $3 trips. Harassment based on sexual orientation. A driver is at a restaurant picking up an order for Uber Eats and witnesses two men on staff loudly making homophobic jokes directed to another delivery driver. One of them shouts a homophobic slur. The delivery driver looks very uncomfortable and tense. I will definitely flunk this test. We'll see. You're helping make Uber safe for everyone. Okay. All right. Now what? Okay, so we did one. Knowledge check. Here we go. This is the test. We're definitely going to flunk this. Okay. Which of these prohibited actions is an example of sexual assault? Well, definitely number 2. I think all of the above. Is it? I don't know. Flirting? Oh, this one right here. Please be right. That's the only thing. Process of elimination, people. Sexual assault, non-consensual touching or kissing of us. Okay, yeah, that's got to be it. Submit. Ooh, I got one. Okay. I hope it's 70%. What the hell is going on, man? CPUC, you're definitely getting a letter from me. Although CPUC did a good thing, banning or requiring all Uber drivers to be fingerprinted to do Uber teen trips, and then Uber pulled out of California to do teen trips. That was a victory. This is coming back to bite me now. Next one. Which of these prohibited, at least there's only 5 questions, which of these prohibited actions is an example of sexual harassment? Flirting, staring or leering, soliciting, definitely number 2, definitely number 3, so all of the above, I guess. All of the above. Okay. Bang. Okay, cool. I got that one right. 2 out of 5 ain't bad so far. Next one. Gender expression is how a person presents their gender on the outside. True? I guess. Okay, I'm guessing on this one. 50-50 shot. True. Gender expression is how a person presents their gender on the outside, and the way they speak, the way they wear makeup. That was it, right? Jesus Christ, man. Submit. Okay, I got 3 out of 5. Let's go. Next one. What is the definition of sexual orientation? An individual's internal knowledge of their own gender. That seems about right. An individual attraction to the same and or different genders. How a person presents their gender on the outside. I think is 1. I think it's this one. Definition of sexual orientation: an individual's internal knowledge of their own gender. Let's go with this one. Bro, I don't know these things, man. Too old for this shit. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. Nope. Not. How you privately feel and identify internally. Well, that wasn't one of the answers, you fuck. What? Try again. Okay. What the hell, man? That wasn't even the question. Oh my god. Okay, well, none of the above. Is it? Because it gave me the answer. Okay, none of the above. I have no idea. I must be dumb. No, I'm not dumb. I just don't understand this stuff. Okay, fuck it. None of the above. God damn it. C, correct answer. What? Whatever. Ridiculous. Next. 505. Harassment based on gender expression can look like, but is not limited to, after being picked up, a passenger becomes upset that the driver's appearance does not match the picture in the app. The passenger says, if you're a woman. True. That's true. I remember that. True. Submit. Finish. Did we pass? I guess. Okay. Now what? Okay. Finish now. We finished. Okay. Take a photo of yourself. Okay, we can do that. All right. Gotta jump through these hoops, man. Let's do it. You guys will see my selfie. Maybe not. Continue. Okay. We passed. Now, after jumping through the hoops, we can go online. Life of an Uber driver. Interesting. All right, you all be safe out there. Please join me and Chris every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. Show Me the Money Club.